In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete extra pages in Microsoft Word in mobile. If your Microsoft Word document has an unwanted blank page or an extra page that you no longer need, you can remove it directly from the Word mobile app. This can be especially useful when a document contains an extra page at the end or when unwanted content causes the document to become longer than necessary. First, open the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device and open the document that contains the extra page. Once the document is open, look through the pages and locate the page you want to remove. Next, navigate to the unwanted page. You can swipe up or down through the document until you find the page that you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you have selected the correct page, especially if the document contains important information on nearby pages. If the page contains text or other content, tap and hold on the content to start selecting it. Selection handles will appear, allowing you to adjust the selected area. Drag the selection handles as needed until all of the unwanted content on that page is selected. Once everything you want to remove is selected, tap the backspace or delete key on your mobile keyboard. The selected content will be removed, and the document should automatically adjust the remaining pages. If the extra page is completely blank, tap at the beginning of the blank page. Check for any extra paragraph marks, spaces, or page breaks that may be creating the additional page. Place your cursor before the unwanted content and press the backspace key until the extra page disappears. If the extra page is caused by a page break, place your cursor directly before the page break and press backspace to remove it. Once the break is removed, the content that follows it should move up, which can eliminate the extra page. After making the changes, continue checking the document to make sure the extra page has been removed and that the remaining pages are arranged correctly. This is also a good time to review the surrounding content and make sure nothing important was accidentally deleted. Finally, tap the Save icon or let Word automatically save your changes, depending on your settings. And that's how you can delete extra pages in Microsoft Word on mobile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,